Tribesigns sent me this queen bed frame to try out, and here is my honest review. From unboxing to setup to the final look. The bed arrived well packaged and clearly labeled. The pieces were protected and the instructions were easy to follow. Major plus right from the start. Assembly took about an hour and we did it with just the included tools. The frame is sturdy, all metal, and designed to be squeak free with no box spring needed. It felt solid right away. It has a modern upholstered headboard and a vintage wood footboard that really gives it a stylish mixed material look. The headboard is upholstered in a soft neutral fabric, and the wooden footboard adds a rustic touch. Best part, there's 12 inches of underbed clearance, perfect for storage bins, baskets, or even luggage. Here's the final look, fully styled, clean, cozy, and super functional. Overall, if you want a stylish, sturdy bed frame with smart storage and easy assembly, this one's a solid pick.